Good morning, dear students. We had started with division, and today we will continue with the same. Fourth question is 8543 divided by 41. So 41 is the divisor. So we will write the table of 41 here, and with the help of this table we will solve this division sum. 8543 is the dividend. So first I will consider the first two digits here because 85 is greater than 41. So I will take this 85 and check whether 85 is multiple of 41. So if we check in this table, then you will find out that 85 is not the multiple of 41, that is, it doesn't come in table of 41. So we will find out a number which is just smaller than 85 in this table. So 82 is the number which is just smaller than 85 in this table. That is 41 2s is 82. So we will write here 41 2s 82 and we will subtract these numbers. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 8 is 0. So now I will bring this 4 down. So the number formed is 34. But 34 is smaller than 41. So we cannot divide. So I need to take this 3 down. But I cannot take this 3 directly down. Before taking this 3 down, I need to write 0 here. Now I can bring this 3 down. So now the number is 343. Now this method you were taught in standard 4th. Okay, why I wrote this 0 here? So you all are knowing the method. So now this is a 3-digit number 343, and now check whether 343 is coming in 41's table. So if you check in this table, you will find 343 is not the multiple of 41. That is, it doesn't come in 41's table. So the number just smaller than 343 is 328. 41 8s is 328. And so we will write here 41 8s 328. Now we will subtract this number. We cannot subtract 3 minus 8, so we need to borrow a number. So from 4 we will borrow 1, so the number remaining will be 3, and here the number I will get will be 13. So 13 minus 8 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So the remainder is 15, and the quotient is 208. So you will write here quotient is 208, and the remainder is 15. So this will be your answer. Fifth question is 2304 divided by 43. So as 43 is the divisor, We will write the table of 43 here, and with the help of this table we will solve this sum. So first I will take first three digits, that is 2, 3 and 0, that is 230, and check whether this number is coming in this table. So if you check in this table, 230 is not the multiple of 43, and so we will find out a number which is just smaller than 230 in this table. So if you check, you will find 215 is the number just smaller than 230. That is 43 5s are 215. So you will write here 43 5s are 215. Now you will subtract these numbers. We cannot subtract 0 minus 5. So we need to borrow a number. So from 3 we will borrow 1. And suppose if you borrow 1 from 3, the number remaining will be 2. And here you will get 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, 2 minus 2 is 0. Now I will bring this 4 down. So the number formed is 154. Now check whether 154 in this table. So in this table you will find 154 is not the multiple of 43. So you will find out a number just smaller than 154 in this table. So in this table 129 is the number which is just smaller than 154. And so you will write 43 3s is 129. So you will write 43 3s 129. Now you will subtract these numbers. 4 minus 9 we cannot subtract, so we will borrow a number from 5. 5 is greater than 2. So from 5 you borrow 1. The number remaining will be 4, and here we will get 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. And so the quotient is 53 and the remainder is 25. Why we have stopped here? 25 is smaller than 43 and there is no number remaining here to bring down. And so we will stop here. And here now 25 is the remainder and 53 is the quotient. So you will write here 53. Quotient is 53 and the remainder is 25. So this is the answer. Sixth question is 336 divided by 48. So 48 is the divisor, and so we will write the table of 48 here. And 336 is the dividend and it's 3-digit number, so you will check the complete number 336 is multiple of 48. So if you check in this table, you will find, yes, 336 is multiple of 48. That is 48 sevens are 336. So you will write here 48 sevens are 336. Now you will subtract these numbers. 6 minus 6 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, and 3 minus 3 is 0. There is no number here, so the remainder is 0 and the quotient is 7. So you will write here quotient is 7 and the remainder is 0.
So your today's homework is you have to solve these 3 division sums which I taught you today in your maths notebook. That's all, dear students. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.